Take a breath in, reach your hands overhead, and bend forward. Keep looking forward. Straighten your spine. And exhale, let go. Put your hands on the shins or on the mat. Inhale, straighten the spine. Look forward once again. Exhale, let the head down. Let go. Inhale, straighten again. Exhale, come into plank. Now put your knees on the mat and push your hips back. And with the inhale, wave your spine forward towards upward dog. Exhale, roll your spine towards downward dog. Stay here for 5 breaths. Feel your heels pushing you down into the earth. Feel like with each inhale, you create space in the chest, in the abdomen. With each exhale, you utilize that space. And let the next inhale bring you back to the top of the mat. And exhale, bend forward once again. Inhale, reach your hands overhead. Gaze to the sun. Exhale, Tadasana.